Happy Tuesday. Listen, we got Tuesday with Very Wise Alternatives. I'm Herbalist Viola. And today I know, look, before we get started, like, share, and subscribe. But look, I know I got a couple of emails that don't think I'm ignoring you guys. I just be testing stuff out and making sure I can bring you some good stuff that you can use that's in your kitchen. Look, I try to make things less inexpensive, especially those who haven't started their apothecary. But I just want to make sure I just bring you good recipes, that items that you have in your house. Well, I know a lot of subscribers asking about different things to help boost their energy, get mental clarity, just overall feel good. So I was testing different things and using different things, and I tried something for a week. Look, I've been doing this for a week, and look, I feel good. I just want to share this with you, something that'll help you feel a little bit better, just get that oomph back, especially if you're having digestive issues. I'm always talking about that digestive and making sure you're going. Because a lot of us, we're not drinking enough water and we're not exercising. You guys are not stretching. But I just want to just bring something to you that you already have in your kitchen. Look, I already know you have apple cider vinegar. You have some apple cider vinegar, right? Make sure you get the one with the mother. Apple cider vinegar. I know y'all got some either Himalaya salt, Celtic salt, or sea salt. So you have that, right? And then you need some honey. So make sure you have some honey, some raw organic honey. And the main ingredient is ginger. And then you just need a lime. You can use a lime or you can use a lemon. So right now I'm using a lime. And then you want some water. Just make sure you have some water and a jar. Look, don't be thinking you can't have mason jars in your house. Get you some mason jars. Look. This one you can add to your apothecary. You see, I have all these mason jars. You want to use the one with the seal, or you can get a plastic lid. Look, you can always use a plastic lid. It's just your choice. Today I'm gonna use a metal lid because I want a tight seal. But look, just gonna show you some real quick. See, I know you have all this, right? So what you want to do? Move this out the way. Go ahead and get started. So what you want to do, you want to go ahead and, I know a lot of people use a grater. You can use a grater, but it's best to use a spoon. A lot of people leave the skin on. I like to take the skin off, clean it off. And you want to use fresh ginger. This only works with fresh ginger. Like, I know I showed you those energy shots, but you don't want to juice it. You want to grate it. So the size mason jar, you want to get the 16 ounce. So make sure you have a 16 ounce mason jar. And for as the ginger, you don't need, it doesn't matter what size, because all you want is 1 tablespoon of ginger. You don't need a lot of ginger. So I just want to make sure I put that out there. So you just want to grate the ginger. So listen, after you have grated your ginger, what you want, all you want is 1 tablespoon. That's all you need. That's why you don't have to worry about what piece of ginger you need. All you need is 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of ginger. And you put it in your mason jar. And then what you want to do, you want to add, so what you want to add, you want to add 2 tablespoons of honey. 2 tablespoons. Yeah, I know it's a lot of honey. That's why you want to get the organic honey. Make sure you get it all in there. And then you want to get some warm water. Make sure you have warm water in there. So just put warm water. Because you want to mix it up. You want to dissolve the honey. And listen, don't use hot water. Use warm water so you can mix the honey well. You can go ahead and have the honey, because the honey's real sticky. So you want to mix well. Do not use hot water. Use warm water. It's very important. I know I got a little more honey in there. I want to make sure I get all that honey. Yep, so you just mix well. And then what you want to do, you want to get your lime. Whew, I make sure it's ready. So you add a lime. And then you squeeze the lime in there, get all that juice in there. Put your lime in there. Squeeze it in there. And then what you want to do is you want to just add just a little bit. You can do a pinch. I just go pinch. So I just twist it. Just one twist. One little twist of Himalaya salt. That's it. That's all of Himalaya salt. And then you add 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Just 4 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And then you add the rest of your water, because what you want to make sure that it fills all the way up. So you're just filling it all the way up. All the way to the top. And then you get your seal on. You put the seal on. There you have it. Mental clarity. This is your brain juice. That's what we're going to call it. We're going to call it brain juice. So this is it. This is all you do. Isn't that easy? You already have this inside of your house. You may need to go get the ginger, but you already have it in your house. And this is what I used. So after, you can just put this in the refrigerator. Look. After, you can let it sit in the refrigerator for like maybe an hour or so, and then you can start drinking it. You just sit it in the refrigerator because you want it to infuse. You can drink as soon as you make it, but some people like drinking stuff cold. I like it drinking room temperature. So you just take it off and you just pour. Now what you want, you just want a half a glass. So just a half a glass. And you could drink this whole thing the whole day. And look, you're supposed to be sitting down. For video purposes only, I'm going to stand and drink. So you can just try it. Look. And it tastes good. Because you still taste the honey. You taste everything. No, it's not better than if you take ginger shots. No. But this has like an extra. Like a little extra. And you already know what I do. That's right. I use Mama D's cayenne pepper. I'm always doing something extra. So I just add just 2 drops. I put 2 drops. And I drink it down. I little stir it down. No, don't put the cayenne pepper in here. No. Don't mix it. This is just something extra. You put cayenne pepper in it. Some of you guys, you could put just a little pinch of ashwagandha in it and stir it around. You could put a little burdock. I'm just telling you, just little herbs that you guys can use to help. And this is what I do. I'm just trying to tell you. It's what I've been doing. So, all right, family, I just want to make sure I showed you a brain food. Brain food. So, you see how easy that was? It wasn't hard. It wasn't hard at all. But look, family, happy Tuesday. I want to make sure I show you something different. And make sure you try it. Make sure you try it. Look, you only can use raw ginger. Listen to me. Only raw ginger. Don't go in there and try and use some powdered ginger. No, it has to be raw ginger. It has to be raw ginger. And make sure you get the apple cider with the mother. Don't use regular vinegar. You want to use apple cider vinegar. Follow the directions. I'm going to put it down below. And if you have comments, put it down below. Try it. Go ahead and get your energy back. Woo, go ahead and get your digestive on. And look, Feed that brain, because I want to feel good, even though I feel good already. I'm already feeling good, but I'm just answering the subscriber questions and make sure that I'm hearing you and I'm not ignoring your questions. I'm not ignoring your questions. I be just trying to try different things besides just saying, look, take this herb, mix this, because a lot of people do not have the apothecary. I know. But I'm just trying to reach the ones who don't have the apothecary. For the other ones got the apothecary, yeah, come on, I'm gonna show you some things with herbs, but I'm just in capsules and tincture form. But I'm just trying to give you something where you can do something real quick and drink it all day. You could drink this all day, sip on it all day. Make sure you're just doing half. You can do this, 20 before a meal or right before a meal. But it's preferably I would do it an hour, half an hour before a meal. That's what I would do. But you can drink all this in one day. Don't drink it all down in one sitting, but you can drink it all day. But look, so I made this specially for, look, I hope you guys don't mind I say your name. This is especially for my brother here in Maryland, White Plains, Maryland. This is for you, Tyson. And also my brother that's living in Syracuse, New York, Mike. All right now, Mike, or better known as Khalid. All right now, this is for you. So go ahead and get your wives to make this for you. Try for a week, my brother. Try for a week. You're going to see a change. All right. Cheers. And look, the secret, what I love, it even helps you sleep better. All day. But look, happy Tuesday, family. Herbalist Viola. Bye, family.